25 more COVID-19 cases reported from Dolamara. Rapid test conducted in Tekelangjung. Congress observes Pratarana Diva staged demonstration at different places. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. The corona pandemic, which has changed the world, which have now slowed down in some countries, does not look to have reached its peak in interior areas of India. As part of the latest news coming in, 25 more persons from Dolamara have tested positive of the virus. The 25 persons include 24 Javans of the 93 BNBSF and 1 employee of the Dolamara PHC. Earlier, 1 Javan of the BSF camp at Dolamara named Sambir Singh was tested positive of the virus, and since then, the whole camp was declared as containment zone. However, more of the Javans testing positive suggests that the virus had already spread in the camp. The medical team from Chokihola visited a camp on Sunday and conducted tests of all the personnel, and then the result came to be very settling. Meanwhile, in Tekelangjung, random rapid tests were conducted in pursuance of the directives issued by the Karbi Anglong Joint Director with the objective of preventing the outbreak of the coronavirus into the area. To the delight of Health Department and the public, the subsidiary health center official told that no one was found positive after conducting the rapid test, whose result can be detected within 10 to 15 minutes time.
Joint Director Health and Service Ahin Pen Our thing Pensi Litum Badak Tekelangjung Ahitielong COVID-19 Labang so test repeat test so test pon yung tindak bang lo so nilitum non malang so ben nilitum labang so test bang pancing pon ito.
RG Sandrongpar from Dolamara and Samsung Ing from Dogmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Anglong branches of the Congress Party had on Monday observed the Pratarana Divas to mark the failure of the present BJP government in fulfilling the promises it had made to the people of the nation. The party have strongly alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Central Minister Nitin Gadkari and Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal have miserably failed to keep their words to bring development for the people. The Samelangso Block Congress Committee organized the Divas at Dhantaghat Market in the afternoon. It was attended by observer from the District Congress Committee Secretary Ron Singh Teron, Samelangso Block Congress Committee President Podmo Ronghang, KMCC President Har Singh Crow, DTCC President Komal Singh Nar, KMMCC President Moina Terangpi, KMYCC Vice President Jirsong Togbi and several other party members.
Assam Pradesh Congress Committee Sri Ripun Bora Nirdekot तथा District Jila Congress Committee Nirdekot Aji BJP Sarkar Gothon Kora Pisot Ohomor Bibhinno Jati Jonosadharonok Bahut Protishuti Disile Gotike Hei প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতিসমূহ তেখেতে পালন নকৰা নেদেখাৰ কাৰণে আমি কংগ্ৰেছ সামিলাংশ ব্লক কংগ্ৰেছ তৰফৰ পৰা আয়োজন কৰি সেই প্ৰতাৰণা দিৱস পালন কৰিছো।
Meanwhile, the event in Bokajan was held under the initiative of Bokajan Block Congress Committee held the Divas at Lakhijan. The program was attended by Bokajan BCC President Budhaswar Ingti Kathar, Secretary Ranjit Terang, KEDCC Vice President Mankitan Maji, Samson Ingti and several other party workers. Party members attending the sit-in demonstration severely condemned the PM Narendra Modi-led BJP government at the center for not being able to fulfill their election promises. The party took a dig at the Saffron Party issues, including their failure to provide 2 crores government jobs, accountability on black money, money into the accounts of the poor people, among others, and attacked the BJP, stating that simple chanting the slogan of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, whereas in reality they have terribly failed in all fronts. The party also lambasted Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal for not being able to solve flood problem, not being able to protect the land of Assam, and not taking care of the unemployment problems among the youths.
যিকেইটা কথা ক'লে আমি সঁচাকৈ এইটো দুখ পাইছোঁ যে 2014 চনত নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী চৰকাৰে কেন্দ্ৰত যেতিয়া শাসনভাৰ লৈছিলে 6 মাহৰ ভিতৰত আমি প্ৰত্যেক বছৰে আমাৰ নিবনুৱাবিলাকক মানে গোটেই অল ইণ্ডিয়াত প্ৰত্যেক বছৰে আমি 2 কোটি চাকৰি দিম বুলি যিটো প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলে এইটো আজিলৈকে এইটো হোৱা নাই, সেইটো হোৱা বুলি প্ৰমাণিত হৈছে।
Similar protest program was also held in Dipu. The program was organized by the Lumbajong Block Congress Committee, during which the party attacked and condemned the party and highlighted their failures. Samsing Ingti from Dongmuka and Ananterang from Bokachan, Karbi Anglong Live. Fed up of drinking contaminated water filled with harmful chemicals like fluoride and arsenic, the public of Tekelangjun and Dogmoka towns have appealed for the early completion of the Greater Tekelangjun Dogmoka water supply scheme, which has taken a long time. The people living under the Dogmoka police station area were elated when they saw the launch of the Greater Tekelangjun Dogmoka water supply scheme, under which water for the town was to be brought from the Paklongkang waterfalls. The people of these 2 towns felt that their long-pending demand for clean and safe drinking water would now be fulfilled very soon. Due to reasons best known to the concerned department and authority, the work for the scheme was abruptly stopped within a year, and the site has been left deserted since then. The project pipes for transporting water are lying on the road and no one is taking care of the facility. Following this, people have expressed their deep discontent over the failure in completing the scheme. Locals have alleged that the government and its officials are showing stepmotherly attitude towards the people of Tekelangjun and had strongly demanded the concerned authority for resumption of the project work. It may be mentioned that in the past, several people fallen serious illness due to the presence of fluoride and arsenic in the water they consume daily. People of these areas have been appealing for solution to their long-pending demand for safe drinking water, but the KAAC have not been able to solve their problems. It is still not sure when these people will really get the clean and safe water to their homes. The CEM of KAAC, Tuliram Ronghang, is now the only hope for these people. Samsing Ingti from Dongmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. Karen Krobi, wife of Hemai Kramsa of Kanya Inglang village under Borjan constituency, who have been suffering from cancer for more than 12 years, have sought for financial assistance for her treatment. With no enough money to afford her treatment, the women had been surviving with regular consumption of Demol tablets, which is an antibiotic, which has been helping her bear the pain for more than 12 years. Her family once took her to Nikos Hospital in Dimapur but brought her back without completing the treatment due to lack of money. Thus, with no other hopes remaining, the ailing women had sought for help from KAAC Chief Tuliram Ronghang. Well-wishers willing to assist her may contact the office of Karbi Anglong Live. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.